Also, today is Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day to you and yours. But aside from that, today is the day we finally get to go pick up the side skirts to complete the car for once and for all. Well, complete the exterior of the car. With enough talking, it's like 3 o'clock and now I had to finish up the vlog that you just watched yesterday. Daily upload, gang, cuh. Let's go get these side skirts. Alright, just now I picked up the side skirts. I would have filmed it, but I didn't bring my little tripod with me to like mount it up so I can have the cool little like, oh yeah, he's putting side skirts in his trunk type stuff. So bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. I'm trying. But now I'm gonna go home, install them, and probably go do like a little photo shoot or something like that. So here. The side skirts are both on. Yeah, buddy. What do you guys think? It looks better with the green, huh?
You should have left it black, yo. You should have left it black.
So now that I got the side skirts on, I'm gonna go try and find a spot. There's this one spot I have in mind. I'm gonna give it a shot. Hopefully, it's not too busy right now. But yeah, let's just go give it a shot and see what happens, I guess. I don't know. So I made it to the spot, but there's cars coming back and forth. But yo, oh, she looks so damn good. Damn. So I got the pictures I needed, but this spot is so perfect. Like, the backdrop, it's perfect, bro. Like, look at this, bro. Isn't this just, it's perfect here. This is a perfect spot for photography. I hate that it's on such a busy road like this. But I got the pictures I needed. I'll probably throw them on my Instagram. I don't know. I think it came out dope. Can't wait for Ma to shoot the car, but I love this, man. This just look awesome. Damn. All right, so I just got back home and I got a box with my name on it. And it's from Strange Planet. I think my merch is in here. So I know none of you guys have been asking for it, but here we have my merch. So I'm gonna unbox it, give you guys a little sneak peek. Oh, that's all you see. That's all you see. Nah, I'm playing. I'm gonna get my mom to hold the camera so I can show y'all more stuff. Mama! Where I put on clothes? Oh. It might be out of focus because my mom got the camera. But I got some merch in. I'm gonna show you guys one of the products. Right here we got my Zosh shirt, and on the back we got, yeah. Nice. It is nice, right?
It came out nice.
So this is it. Got Zosh MFG in the front, and got my stuff in the back. I got 2 shirts. I also got my hoodie. I'll show you guys the hoodie in case you guys want to see it. So this is it, and then this is the back. Now, this is the first one I had. Stay right there. I had this one for a while. See, this one was different. This had the stuff that was on the back on the front, and also it was larger on the back. So,
I'm kind of digging that one.
The big one? Nah, I like the small one.
Okay, I get the big one.
You're not getting this. This is a sample. I'm gonna sell this like Kanye sell his shoes.
Okay.
I probably sell this for like $3 grand.
All right.
But yeah, that's pretty much my merchandise. I take you good. Y'all going on a date or something? Y'all finna have a good Valentine's Day?
Yes.
Wow. Hey, that must be nice, y'all. Hey, y'all enjoy yourself, man.
Go get your niece and
no. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I don't know. I'll probably just extend this video till tomorrow and see what I do tomorrow because, I mean, this video had like no type of substance. All I do is put on my side skirts and, you know, do like a little photo shoot. But, I don't know. Should I end it here? I have no idea. But if I do, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video thus far, could you please smack that like button for your boy? And, yeah, shout out to Crustina for being, clean now. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace. Yo, so I felt bad. It's the next day. It's Thursday. I'm editing yesterday's video that you're watching now. Sorry, Percy, what the hell? But, yeah, I couldn't end the video. I don't know what I'm gonna talk about or do, but, how about I show you guys my card collection on Need for Speed Payback? And if you want to add me on Xbox, my gamer tag is OG_Zosh. What's your pat? What the hell? Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all my hatch since I'm already in it. This is my little hatch right here. You know what I'm saying? Got the Cosmic Racing wheel. Don't have TEs in this game. Yo, y'all need to, y'all too loud, son. Y'all too loud. Yeah, alright. Got my K-Tune turned down. You know what I'm saying? Got my top one rear diffuse. Oh. Got the Marauder banner on, got my name and my flag, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Show y'all my other cars, boy. I got some power in my garage, B. I got that fire in that garage. Yeah, boy. Boy, fast. Yeah. I'm clean. Please. Right here we got my Evo, you know what I'm saying? Can I just view it? I gotta get in it right now? Alright, I guess I'll select it and show y'all the Evo, you feel me? Oh, yeah. If I had an Evo, it'll look just like this. It'll look just exactly like this. What I say? F your STI homeboy. Evo gang out here. Votex full body kit, baby. This is exactly how I would have an Evo if I had it. Speed Hunters banner up top, Marauder banner down low. You know what I'm saying? You know how I do. Alright, let me show y'all my S2000. Show them the S2. Oh, not the S2. Show them the S2 young Zosh, man. Hey, man. Hey. Oh. Whoa. Whoa, my guy. I'm bagged right now. I'm aired out right now. You feel me? Oh, Zosh MFG. You know I gotta brand yourself. Yeah. How I'm looking though, playboy. Hey, how I'm looking though. Oh, you can see my cars in the. Got the GTR. Got the M4. You know what I'm saying? This is just a little bit. But yeah, if any of you guys ever want to play with me on Xbox, just add my gamer tag, Zosh. Oh, sorry. OG Zosh. Send me a message, alright? But I think now I'm in the video because I gotta edit tomorrow's video, which you will see. I don't know, I'm gonna confuse myself. But I gotta edit today's video so you can watch it tomorrow. But thanks for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace!